So now let's try to understand what is the science behind intermittent fasting. Why is intermittent fasting known for fat loss? Intermittent fasting से fat loss क्यों होता है? So let's try to understand the science behind it.
हम सब घर पे बैठे हुए हैं, जंक फूड्स के साथ अच्छे मूवीज़ भी देख लिए हैं, नेटफ्लिक्स, अमेजॉन प्राइम, एंड द वर्स्ट थिंग इज़ वी कैन नॉट इवन गो फॉर जॉगिंग, जिम or even for a walk because there is a lockdown in India and we cannot help it and we are putting on weight. हमें ये अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है बट हम कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते. If this relates to most of you, type yes in the comment box below.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. मेरा नाम Glatian Alva है and in this video I will be sharing with you how you can lose fat and stay in shape with the world's most popular health and fitness trendy diet, intermittent fasting. Now बहुत सारे celebrities intermittent fasting follow करते हैं including Tiger Shroff. So if you guys are sitting at home waiting for the gyms to open and are putting on weight, then you should definitely watch this video. And if you miss this video, you would be missing out on some of the important information that I'm going to share in this video. So stay tuned and I'll make sure that you guys get a return on investment for your time. So let's get into the video.
But I want to, cause you look like a dream. Are you just a dream?
I don't know you, but I want to.
So intermittent fasting is a fasting pattern which cycles between periods of fasting and eating. Now intermittent fasting does not specify which foods you should be eating, but it specifies when you should be having your meals. So basically intermittent fasting is a time restricted fasting pattern. Now इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपका फास्टिंग खत्म होने के बाद आप जंक फूड्स खाना चालू कर दे. ओके, सो वंस योर फास्टिंग इज डन यू कैन हैव हेल्दी और अनप्रोसेस्ड फूड्स जैसे दाल, राइस, चपाती, eggs, paneer, etc. Now the most commonly followed fasting pattern is the 16:8 pattern. There are other patterns also which include the 20:4 fast, alternate day fast and 5:2 fast. 20:4 fast क्या होता है? आप 20 आवर्स के लिए फास्टिंग करोगे, 4 आवर के विंडो में आप आपके मील्स ले सकते हो. सिमिलरली अल्टरनेट डे फास्ट, आप एक दिन आपका खाना खाओगे, एक दिन आप फास्टिंग करोगे. द सेम गोज फॉर 5:2. 5 डेज के लिए आप नॉर्मल फूड खाओगे एंड 2 डेज में यू वुड बी फास्टिंग. बट द मोस्ट फॉलोड इज द 16:8 वेर इन आप 16 आवर्स के लिए फास्ट करोगे एंड यू कैन हैव योर मील्स विद इन अ 8 hour विंडो. So now let's try to understand what is the science behind intermittent fasting. Why is intermittent fasting known for fat loss? Intermittent fasting से fat loss क्यों होता है? So let's try to understand the science behind it. Science समझ में आएगा तभी तो हम वो implement करेंगे ना. The food that we eat और जो खाना हम खाते हैं gets converted into glucose and the glucose travels into the bloodstream and glucose is the main reason behind our energy. जब भी हम कोई sport खेलते हैं जैसे फुटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल, क्रिकेट एक्सेट्रा, आपको पता होगा ब्रेक में या इंटरवल के टाइम में हमें ग्लूकॉन डी दी जाती है एंड द मेन रीजन व्हाई दे गिव अस ग्लूकॉन डी इज दैट वी परफॉर्म बेटर एंड वी गेट मोर एनर्जी टू प्ले दैट स्पोर्ट. नाउ दिस ग्लूकोज डायरेक्टली कैन नॉट रीच द सेल्स टू गिव अस एनर्जी. इट रिक्वायर्स द हेल्प ऑफ समथिंग एंड ये समथिंग इंसुलिन होता है एंड दिस इंसुलिन इज जनरेटेड इनसाइड आवर पैनक्रियास. सो व्हेनेवर वी ईट फूड इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू ग्लूकोज एंड साइड में आवर पैनक्रियास जनरेट इंसुलिन. सो इंसुलिन along with glucose reaches the cells and gives us energy and hence we perform better in any sport or any activity for that matter. अगर आप जिम कर रहे हो, खेल रहे हो, even you're doing any work, it gives the energy. But if we are not using this energy, if we are sitting at one place not doing any kind of work, this energy gets converted into fat and it is stored in the cells. Body को लगता है अभी मुझे इस energy की ज़रूरत नहीं है, I will use it in the future, so I will store it in the cells and hence that is the reason why it gets accumulated as fat across our stomach, across the chest and even for females it gets accumulated in the thigh or hips. So what happens when we do intermittent fasting? जब भी हम intermittent fasting करते हैं we are fasting for 16 hours. So ये 16 hour के window में we are not consuming any food. So no food, no glucose. So food does not get converted into glucose and our pancreas also does not generate insulin. So no food, no glucose, no insulin. So now what does the body do for energy? So our body starts tapping into the fat cells for energy जो उसने store करके रखा हुआ था future purpose के लिए. So now it starts using this glucose as energy for the body and hence that's the reason why we start losing fat in an intermittent fasting diet. I hope this was clear for you guys. If the science is making sense to you and if you guys are getting value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button, because when you hit the like button, it gives me the motivation to make more videos and content just for you guys. So how are you guys going to execute the 16:8 fast? 16:8 fast mein you can start eating at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Basically you would be skipping your breakfast. If you do not like skipping your breakfast, you can have your breakfast at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. this is the window जब आप आपका खाना खाओगे, and from 9 p.m. to 1 p.m. in the afternoon, next day afternoon तक आप fasted state में रहोगे. Since you're eating till 9 p.m. आपको रात को सोते वक्त भूख नहीं लगेगी. I would suggest go for a 1 to 9 window, because पहले मैं 8 to 4 करता था तो रात को मुझे बहुत भूख लगती थी एंड नींद नहीं आती थी. But if you want to try, you can also try the 8 to 4, wherein आप 8 a.m. in the morning को आपका breakfast करोगे and 4 p.m. in the evening would be your last meal. You can also try 9 to 5. Accordingly you can adjust. But आपको 16 hours के लिए fast करना होगा. Now you can use the Zero app for tracking your fast. इस app में आपको बताता है कब आपके 16 hours खत्म हो रहे हैं, कब आपका fast खत्म हो रहा है, and once the fast is over, it will also show you आपके 8 hours का window कब खत्म हो रहा है. So it is very helpful if you want to track your fast. Initially जब आप fasting करोगे 16 आवर्स के लिए, आपको बहुत भूख लगेगी, बट देन व्हेन वंस यू स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग इट फॉर 2 to 3 days, you will see that your body will get used to the pattern. Now I want you guys to comment in the box below आप कौन सा पैटर्न फॉलो करने वाले हो, आप कौन सी विंडो में आपका फूड खाओगे. इज इट द 1 p.m. in the afternoon to 9 p.m. in the night, or 8 p.m. in the morning to 4 p.m. in the evening? Let me know in the comment box below which pattern are you going to follow. Now fasting is also done for spiritual or religious reasons, be it Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism. Most of the religions follow fasting, and the only reason why fasting has been followed is because it has a lot of health benefits. So guys, if you have learned something from this video, make sure you hit the like button and share करना वीडियो को अपने friends और family members के साथ, because हम सब घर पे बैठे हुए हैं and we are putting on weight. So share it with people so that they also benefit from fasting and we all stay fit and healthy. And finally, do subscribe to the channel by clicking on the red button below so that you do not miss out on such interesting topics that I upload every week. And also hit the bell icon, which will give you a reminder whenever I am uploading videos. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, much love, God bless you all.
Are you just a dream?